Dishwasher complaint. Dishwasher is not completing cycle, stopping in mid-cycle. First observation, water still is in bottom of dishwasher after an attempted low wash. Cleaning observation, minimum food deposits in door seal gasket, potential water leakage. Door lock appears to be good. Manual control dial appears to be good. Don't feel any non-contact breakage with no power applied. This one is a portable design for easy access and mobility. G dishwasher. This dishwasher is more, in terms of age, it is more than 5, less than 8. Stopping in the middle of the cycle before pump out indicates a recirculation pump assembly. At this point in time, a repair in terms of versus purchase new. And repair, you can buy this design new for under $600. The repair on this design would run you 3/4 the cost new, and so at this point in time it would not be recommended as an industry repair due to the cost versus repair versus purchase new. All you would be saving is maybe delivery fee. It would make sense to do a do-it-yourself project. That would save you maybe to be about 1/3 the cost new if you did it yourself. But as an industry pricing, it would not fit the mold or the model as an industry repair versus purchase new due to the age and design and what these retail new for.